There is only a limited amount of food you can eat in a single day. To maximize the amount of nutrients you take in, it makes sense to spend your calorie budget wisely. The best way to do that is to simply eat foods that carry the greatest amount of variety and nutrients. Here are the most nutrient dense foods on the planet. But before everything, don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn those notifications on and like this video. And yes, watch the video till the end because the last few points will blow your mind off. Number 1. Salmon. Not all fish is created equal. Salmon and other fatty type of fish contain the greatest amount of omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s are extremely important for the optimal function of your body. They are linked to improved well-being and lower risk of many serious diseases. Although salmon is mainly prized for its beneficial composition of fatty acids, it also packs a massive amount of other nutrients. A 100-gram piece of wild salmon contains 2.8 grams of omega-3s along with a lot of high-quality animal proteins and ample vitamins and minerals, including large amount of magnesium, potassium, selenium and B vitamins. It is a good idea to eat fatty fish at least once or twice a week to get all the omega-3s to your body needs. Studies show that people who eat fish regularly have a lower risk of heart disease, dementia, depression and many other common diseases. Also, salmon tastes good and is fairly simple to prepare it. It also tends to make you feel full, relatively few calories. If you can, choose wild salmon instead of farmed. It is more nutritious, has a better omega-6 to omega-3 ratio and is likely to contain contaminants. Number 2. Kale. Of all the healthy leafy greens, kale is the king. It is loaded with vitamins, minerals, fiber, antioxidants and various bioactive compounds. A 100 grams portion of kale contains vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin K1, large amounts of vitamin B6, potassium, calcium, magnesium, copper, manganese. The same amount has 2 grams of fibers, 3 grams of protein and only 50 calories. Kale may be even healthier than spinach. Both are very nutritious, but kale is lower in oxalates, which are substances that can bind minerals like calcium in your intestine, preventing them from being absorbed. Kale and other greens are also high in various bioactive compounds including isothiocyanates and indole-3 carbinol, which have been shown to fight cancer in test tube and animal studies. Number 3. Seaweed. The sea has more than just fish. It also contains massive amount of vegetation. There are thousands of different plant species in the ocean, some of which are very nutritious. Usually they are referred to collectively as seaweed. Seaweed is popular in dishes like sushi. Many sushi dishes also include a type of seaweed known as nori, which is used as an edible wrapping. In many cases, seaweed is even more nutritious than land vegetables. It is particularly high in minerals like calcium, iron, magnesium and manganese. It is also loaded with various bioactive compounds including phycocyanins and carotenoids. Some of these substances are antioxidants with powerful anti-inflammatory capacities. But seaweed really shines in its high content of iodine, a mineral your body uses to make thyroid hormones. Just eating a high iodine seaweed like kelp a few times per month can give your body all the iodine it needs. If you don't like the taste of seaweed, you can also take in supplement from dried kelp. Tablets are very cheap and loaded with iodine. Number 4. Garlic. Garlic really is an amazing ingredient. Not only can it turn all sorts of bland dishes delicious, it is also very nutritious. It is high in vitamin C, B1 and B6, calcium, potassium, copper, manganese and selenium. Garlic is also high in beneficial sulfuric compounds such as allicin. Many studies show that allicin and garlic may lower blood pressure as well as total and bad LDL cholesterol. It also raises good HDL cholesterol, potentially reducing risk of heart disease down the line. It also has various cancer-fighting properties. Studies show that people who eat a lot of garlic have a much lower risk of several common cancers, especially cancers of the colon and stomach. Raw garlic also has a significant antibacterial and antifungal properties. Number 5. Shellfish. Many sea animals are high in nutrients, but shellfish may be among the most nutritious of all. Commonly consumed types of shellfish include clams, oysters, scallops, and mussels. Clams are among the best sources of vitamin B12 in existence, with 100 grams of clams supplying over 16 times the RDI. They are also loaded with vitamin C, various B vitamins, potassium, selenium, and iron. Oysters are also very nutritious. Only 100 grams supply 600% of the RDI for zinc, 200% of the RDI for copper, and large amount of vitamin B12, vitamin D, and several other nutrients. Though shellfish are among the world's most nutritious food, most people rarely consume them. Number 6. Potatoes. A single large potato is high in potassium, magnesium, iron, copper, and manganese. It also contains vitamin C and most B vitamins. They contain a little bit of almost every nutrient you need. There are accounts of people living on nothing but potatoes for a long time. They are also one of the most filling foods. When researchers compared the satiety value of different foods, boiled potatoes scored higher than any other food measured. If you allow potatoes to cool after cooking, they also form resistant starch, a fiber-like substance with many powerful health benefits. Number 7. Liver. Humans and our remote ancestors have been eating animals for millions of years. However, the modern Western diet has prioritized muscle meat over organs meat. Compared to the organs, muscle meat is nutritionally poor. Out of all the organs, liver is by far the most nutritious. The liver is a remarkable organ with hundreds of functions related to metabolism. One of its functions is to store important nutrients for the rest of your body. A 3.5 ounce 100 gram portion of beef liver contains vitamin B12, vitamin B5, vitamin B6, niacin and folate, vitamin B2, vitamin A, copper, iron, phosphorus, zinc and selenium, high quality animal protein. Eating liver once per week is a good way to ensure that you get optimal amounts of these vital nutrients. Number 8. Sardines. Sardines are small, oily fish that can be eaten whole. Given that the organs are usually the most nutritious part of an animal, it is not surprising that whole sardines are very nourishing. They contain a little bit of almost every nutrient that your body needs and are nearly nutritionally perfect. Like other fatty fish, they are also very high in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Number 9. Blueberries. When it comes to the nutritional value of fruits, blueberries are in a league of their own. Although not as high calorie for calorie in a vitamin and mineral as vegetables, they are packed with antioxidants. They are loaded with powerful antioxidant substances including anthocyanins and various other plant compounds, some of which can cross the blood-brain barrier and exert protective effects on your brain. Several studies have examined the health effects of blueberries in humans. One study found that blueberries improved memory in older adults. Another study found that obese men and women with metabolic syndrome had a lowered blood pressure and reduced markers of oxidized LDL cholesterol when they added blueberries to their diet. This finding is in line with studies showing that blueberries increase the antioxidant value of your blood. Multiple test tube and animal studies also suggest that blueberries can help fight cancer.